Hey guys, welcome back. I've got a different kind of video today. I've seen these floating around on YouTube, so I thought I'd kind of jump on the bandwagon. I didn't really know what to film, so I've received a few things in the post recently, and I'm going to do a blogger mail haul. Just show you some things that I've received recently, which I've really been loving. I've received a few more bits than this, but I've kind of picked out my favourite bits, otherwise the video will just be far too long. So there is a lot of beauty, there's a few homeware bits and a couple of fashion bits, so yeah, I'm just going to get cracking, otherwise we're going to be here all day. The first thing I have received, which I've absolutely been loving, and it's the Chic Chick, I think that's how you say it, or Chic Chic anti-aging face mask. Now this is the original and it's the Aloe Rose, and the packaging is gorgeous. I won't open it because it's like loose powder, it's like talcum powder consistency, and it will go everywhere. Basically you mix it with water and put it on your face and leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes. It goes really dry, it pulls all the impurities out. Yeah, this is the Aloe Rose one, and then they also sent 3 others in like little packets. So I've got a white turmeric and chickpea, a chocolate one which has got licorice and multani mitty clay. I've never heard of that, but a chocolate face mask is always right up my street. And then we have got spirulina and lemongrass. Spirulina is meant to be really good for you, isn't it? I've heard good things about spirulina. Haven't tried the little ones yet, but I can vouch for the big rose face mask. It's lovely, it's so refreshing. They're made with all natural ingredients, which I really like. I'm trying to step out of buying stuff that isn't that great for my skin, or it's packed with like silicons and stuff like that. I don't want that on my skin. So yeah, if you're after a skincare brand that is using all natural products, definitely check this out, and their packaging again is gorgeous. Next thing is another anti-aging product. I've been using these ever since I got them and I love them. I'm trying to only use them like once a week just so I don't run out. Are the Real Line Frown Line patches. Basically it's just like those nose pore things that you pull off. It's like one of those, but for like your frown lines. I've got a real bad line forming like from the top of my nose up and around my eyebrow, which this sits perfectly on, and you can just tell a difference after I've used it. So I'll just put it on in the evening, watch telly for an hour. Branded as like a needle-free freeze. It says rapid wrinkle reducing patches, restrict muscle movement, naturally preventing expression lines forming while soothing out the skin. So they come in these little tear-off sheets, so they're easy if you like want to travel with them. I'm going to put a few in my makeup bag when I go away at the end of the month. After all that alcohol, I'm sure my skin will be looking tired. You get 30 in there, which is quite a good amount to be fair, and I can notice a visible difference when I've used these, so I've really been enjoying them. Now I received a shoebox full of goodness from the lovely people at The Social Edit. They've put such nice stuff in here, I'm so grateful, so thank you guys. I am just over the moon with these bits. Now the first thing is, so this is by Nails Inc. I didn't know they did like face masks and stuff. Anyway, it's an exfoliating sheet mask. Now I'm not gonna lie, sheet masks do my head in because I just can't get them to fit my face. I've got quite a pea head, so they're always so big. They always slip down my lips. I find it really uncomfortable, but I'm definitely going to try that because it is gold, so, and I'm not going to put it to waste. If it's got anything to do with Nails Inc, I'm sure it is really good. I love Nails Inc as a brand. They've also included some Skinny Coffee and Skinny Hot Chocolate from the Skinny Caffe. I've tried their stuff before. I actually use their sweeteners and they're really good. I'd rather have 2 sugars in my tea, but sugar makes me so bloated, so if I do use their sweeteners, I can notice a difference. But I haven't actually tried these yet, so I should be giving them a whirl. Got some gorgeous phone cases. They told me to choose these off a brand, and it's just got out of my head the brand's name, so I'll put it across the screen. What I recall, they do some lovely phone cases. I've got a spotty one, it's like white and black spots, kind of like paintbrush strokes. This one I love, and it's like a white and black background, and it's got yellow whales all over it. I just think it's really different, not something you'd find in a shop. And then obviously you've got to have a palm print phone case somewhere in your collection. And then I've got one on my phone at the moment, which is my favourite, and it is a load of naked ladies dancing around, which I absolutely love. So I've had that on my phone case since I received this box, and it's such good quality. Like once it's on, it is on, there's no budging. Some phone cases I feel like slip around a bit, especially the silicone ones, but these are plastic and it's protecting my phone really well, so love those. A Precious Metals palette from Primark. I've never tried Primark's Beauty range. Colours in here, put that on there, be like a proper YouTuber, just so you're not blinded. It's got a huge mirror, and then it's got highlight, bronzer, eyeshadows. I've tried this gold in the corners of my eyes and it just pops. I wish I could get that out of the pan so I can take it away to Ibiza with me, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get that out, so the whole palette might have to come. But the colours in there are gorgeous. I look forward to giving that a go. I know that people are like buying Primark makeup like there's no tomorrow, so I haven't actually tried anything yet, so I'll be looking forward to giving that a whirl. Then I've got a lipstick from Sarah Hill, Cool Little Black Bullet. Oh, that's a nice colour. It's like a deep mauvey purple. I'm actually going to a fancy dress party this weekend and dressing as a fortune teller, so I might wear that on my lips. I think that'll go perfect. So yeah, I'm sure you'll see photos of that on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, I'll do a cheeky little plug here. And then they put in some gorgeous jewellery from, I've never known how to say this brand, but Orelia. I'm pretty sure they sell it in Topshop. Oh, I've tangled this like a knob. This necklace is absolutely stunning. It's gold plated and it's quite expensive. It's £35, but you could wear this every day. It's gorgeous. You've got like a little evil eye, a star and like a tusk, and then a ham's a hand, and then the bottom bit, it's got like these little circles all the way around it. I think it's gorgeous. I'll show you it up close because it just doesn't do it justice hung here, but I'm going to take this to Ibiza, wear it on the nights out, on my nights out. And then also from the same brand is one of these like half moon, I'm not sure what you call them. They were all the rage like last year. And I've got a couple from like high street shops, but this one again is absolutely gorgeous, really nice quality, and it's £28 and it's gold with like little diamantes running through it. So again, I'll be taking this away with me. It's absolutely stunning. If you're looking for some really nice jewellery, you need to check out this website, because when I was choosing the pieces from there, so much nice stuff. So if you're looking for some holiday jewellery, it's perfect. In the box is a powder dry me from design.me, and it is blow dry in half the time. Powder dry me is an exclusive micro emulsion mist that actually repels excess water. Blow drying your hair just got 50% faster. Also, that's quite cool. My hair takes ages to dry. It really holds on to moisture. I'm not sure whether it's because I had it bleach blonde at one stage and it completely dried it out, or there's just, because it's not particularly thick, so I don't think it holds onto water because of that. I've got quite thin hair, so I just think it's damaged my hair, so I'm going to give this a go. This is super generous. They sent me a new toothbrush. Now, I've recently spent the earth on getting my teeth back to health, basically. I had loads of silver fillings, I had loads of sealants that needed to be done. I had my last dentist appointment the other day, and they've turned all my fillings back to white fillings, so now I've got like brand spanking new teeth. And for my wedding, I want to get them straightened, so anything to do with oral health now is like at the top of my list, and this couldn't have come at a better time. And it's from a brand called Ordo, and it is an electric toothbrush. Now, I do use an electric toothbrush, but it's just an Oral-B one. But this, let me just show you it in the box, it's rose gold. How gorgeous is that? And it's so lightweight and like sleek, so easy to travel with, and it's so quiet. It's like a vibrating toothbrush rather than a one that goes in like a circle. I've explained that so thickly. But yeah, it just looks so nice and sleek. Absolutely love that. And it comes with whitening and sensitive toothpaste as well, and a little tray. You can actually have it sat on your bathroom cabinet like that. It's the simple things, isn't it? I love how nice that looks. So thank you to the guys at The Social Edit. Such a generous box full of goodies. And the next PR package I got is from Pretty Woman. This is a nail brand. They've got some absolutely gorgeous nail varnishes. Now, I've given one to my mum just because there was two very similar. But I've got a red, which is on my nails now, and it's called Red Lips and Wine Sips. Nude called Cafe Olay. Is it Olay? I'm not very good at French. I didn't do French at school. I did German, so French isn't my strong point. That's gorgeous nude colour. And then like a mauvey colour, which is black raspberry. I'll pop a photo on because I think I did an Instagram photo with this one. Such a nice colour. And then This is the colour I want to wear when we get married. I hope to God they've still got it, because I've just been applying it like there's no tomorrow. It's like the perfect, almost white, but it's got a real sheer pink undertone. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's called Be Humble. I love these nail varnishes. They're cruelty-free, they're vegan, for all you vegans out there. I just love them. I love their branding. Staying power is really good. So if you haven't heard of them before, I definitely recommend checking out Pretty Woman, because the colours on there are just gorgeous. And then I got a box from Indulge Beauty. Lots of beauty stuff this month. If you do want to see like a monthly one of these videos, let me know. I don't know whether it's a bit like wanky. I don't know. I don't know whether you guys like seeing these. Like, I'm in no way bragging. I just want to show you some of like my top picks of the brands I get sent. So first of all, I have got a Lowy, is it Lowy or Low perfume? There was two in here. I gave another one to my brother because there was like a men's one. It smells gorgeous. It's quite a mature scent. I don't know whether I'd wear it personally. The men's one was stunning. I could have worn that myself. It was so nice. They've popped a beauty blender in here. I've never actually tried the real beauty blender. I've had the Real Techniques one, a Primark one, the really big Real Techniques one, which I absolutely love, but it just started falling apart within like 3 uses. So quite disappointed in that, so I'm going to bin that and give this a go. And they also put in a Beauty Blender cleansing liquid, which I need because my other ones just get so caked in foundation, it's disgusting. This stuff I've been using religiously, and it's the Sacha Juan, is that how you say it? Sacha Juan. My pronunciation of stuff is just awful. Ocean Mist, and basically it's like a sea salt spray. This gives such a nice texture to your hair. I'm taking this away with me when I go on holiday, just to get like that beachy wave. And it's also really good if you want to create a top knot but your hair hasn't got like that second, third day texture. I spray this through it and then put it up, and it just goes up like a dream. So absolutely been loving that. And then I've never heard of this brand. It's Baum 27. Bio-Energizing Cell Repair Balm. I've got Perricone MD Hydrating Cloud Cream sample. I've heard loads about this, so I'm super excited to try it. I've got a mini Urban Decay All-Nighter, which I haven't actually got much left of because I've been using this non-stop. It is an absolute dream. Got a mini Glam Glow mask. This is the Gravity Mud Firming Treatment, and it's the purple tub. Clarins Hydra Essential Cream. Verso Night Cream. I love the packaging of that. It's got Retinol 8 in. I don't know what all these things mean. Calming and Repairing Night Cream with Retinol 8. We will give it a whirl. I do like a night cream. Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile Soap Bar. I've heard loads about the liquid Dr. Bronner, which I actually want to get my hands on, because you can just wash everything, like your clothes, your dishes, even your dogs. You can just use it on everything because it's completely natural. I've got a Lord & Berry lip pencil in a gorgeous like orangey colour. That looks really nice. That'd be nice on holiday. Another sheet mask. Oh, this is a neck and chest mask. That sounds nice. I've got like, I don't know whether you'll be able to see on camera, but I've got like such an aging chest line coming here. Don't know what it's from. It's like, I don't think it's from where I sit like that and all my skin creases. But yeah, it's just like a line around here, so I look forward to trying that. I've got a couple of pairs of trousers from Shein. You guys know I always love what I get from them. And this month I've only got a couple of pieces. I've got a couple of pairs of trousers because I'm always in jeans, so I thought I'd switch it up a little bit. These are like a smart grey, kind of like window pane check, but they've got this real cool, like almost twine tie waist. And it's elasticated. They come up so high, which is really nice because you can just get away with wearing a crop top with them. Just these, a crop top, some trainers and my denim jacket, and I'm good to go. I don't have to think about what I'm wearing. And then the same for these, but these aren't as high waist. They're like a dog tooth check with a red and white stripe down the side. I kind of feel like the stripe down the side has been and gone, but anything sporty I'm still all over. So yeah, they're just a nice way of doing a smart trouser without it being too smart, too like officey, if you know what I mean. So I just love wearing these with trainers. I think they look really cool. And then lastly, some bits from Rex London. If you didn't know, they were formerly .com gift shop. They've actually rebranded as Rex London. I'm going to link everything I've shown here in the description box. I've got this gorgeous blue and white salad bowl. Really nice size. It's a nice size for a salad for like 2 or 3 people. The website is so affordable, so if you are looking to kit out your kitchen, definitely check them out. I was kind of on like a blue theme because I love the way green shows up on it. It's just like an oval serving platter, and I love dark blue and white. I think it looks so nice. And then lastly, I haven't actually taken the sticker off this, but it's just a big white enamel bowl with the blue rim. This is huge again. It used to be like old camping gear and stuff, but for a night where there's a lot of people round, I would use some in this size. It's quite big. It looks smaller on the website, but you just can't have enough salad bowls, and I love this. Yeah, I can't wait to put my salads in these. Showing my age, aren't I? Those are a few of my favourite bits I've been sent this month, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you don't enjoy these videos, please let me know, because I won't do another one again. But if you do want them monthly for the bits that I do get sent over, and like my picks of the best bits, then let me know. I just think it's a nice way of keeping you in the loop of new products out there. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.